Every flight you take depends on hundreds of checks, most of which you, the passenger, will never see. Aircraft maintenance engineers are the silent heroes of the sky. They make sure that every aircraft is in perfect condition before it takes off. From inspecting engines to checking hydraulic systems, they do it all. But what happens if just one thing is missed? History shows us that the results can be catastrophic. That's why aviation trusts the trained. Become one of them. Learn aircraft maintenance at Harmonics Air Center. Now let's talk about this 1970. A Boeing 737 was scheduled for a routine maintenance check. The aircraft had flown 60,000 cycles and 23,000 hours since its last overhaul. During the inspection, engineers discovered that the plane's auxiliary hydraulic pump was in bad shape. It needed replacing. The part was ordered, and the plane was put out of commission until the repair was complete. Seems straightforward, right? Well, here's the thing. The old pump wasn't just removed and replaced. The engineers decided to remove and overhaul it, meaning they would inspect, repair, and upgrade the existing pump instead of simply swapping it out with a new one. This would save the airline money and keep the plane in operation for longer. So far, so good. But here's where things took a turn. After the repair, the pump was installed back into the aircraft and everything seemed to be working fine. The plane was cleared for takeoff and the passengers were on their way to their destination. But within minutes, the crew noticed that the pump wasn't functioning properly. They tried to restart it, but it wouldn't budge. As the minutes ticked by, it became clear that the pump had failed. The plane was in serious trouble. The crew put out a mayday and an investigation was launched. The faulty pump was removed and sent to a specialized facility for testing. And here's what they found. The rotor shaft of the pump had fractured, causing the entire assembly to seize up. This type of failure was unheard of, and the investigators were puzzled. After a thorough analysis, they concluded that the failure was caused by a combination of factors, including design flaws, manufacturing defects, and inadequate maintenance procedures. The old pump had been repaired several times, and the parts used in the overhaul weren't up to par. This led to a premature failure of the pump, which could have been prevented with proper care. The airline was fined and changes were made to prevent such accidents from happening again. But the story doesn't end there. Similar incidents with the same model of pump occurred over the next few years, resulting in multiple crashes and the loss of hundreds of lives. Do you want to know more about this catastrophic failure? Click here to learn about other aircraft disasters. And if you're interested in becoming an aircraft maintenance engineer yourself, visit our website to find out how you can start your training today.